No, yeah. So
Are we supposed to leave?
Oh, no. Are we ready, Attorney Hill and Attorney Bradfield?
we are. I'm ready.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
we are ready on Solomon and Gary Smith.
All right. Okay, we'll start with Solomon. Okay, Solomon. This is case number Z 808-2961, Lassay Solomon, OWI intoxication. Let's have appearances.
Your Honor, Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of the defendant. Solomon, say your name, please. Take yourself off mute.
Yes, I couldn't hear you. My phone was breaking up. I had to relocate. Leslie Solomon.
Thank you. Judge, this is set for a sentencing. There's a bit of confusion the last time we were here. It was set for sentencing, but regardless, we've gone over the pre-sentence investigation report the last time we were here in May. It is accurate. No additions or corrections need to be made. All we're asking for is an order of probation to be entered. My client was kind of sentenced the last time. She's already taken some substance abuse classes, and she is taking therapy, doing some therapy. So I'm just asking the court to sentence her to the probation, the recommendation, and we'll probably be filing a motion for early termination if she completes everything before the 12-month period.
All right, Mr. Foster, you want to weigh in at all?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people. I don't have any issues with that being, pushed to probation, and then if, upon compliance, having an early termination given, whatever circumstances come out of probation. I don't have any objection, Your Honor.
All right. I am going to sentence Lassay Renee Solomon to a 12-month reporting probation with the following conditions: that she attend and complete the Victims Impact Panel, that she attend and complete AHSASE Level 1 program, that she submit to drug testing twice monthly through an outside agency in Detroit, that she not consume any alcoholic beverages, that she not use or possess any illegal substances, that she provide written proof of income to the probation department, that she attend Alcohol Anonymous meetings at least twice weekly and provide written proof to the probation department, that she be assessed fines, costs, and probation oversight fees as ordered by the court. I will need the probation officer to give us, give me the assessed fines, costs, and fees that normally are associated with an OWI case. Mr. Prosecutor, can you help me out with that? Mr. Prosecutor.
I think we
Okay.
lost it, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney Hill, that's what I'm sentencing your client to.
Perfect.
We need a review date, Madam Clerk.
Yes, Your Honor. Let me see. It would be Monday, December 19th for review.
Monday, December 19th, 8:30. You get that, Attorney Hill?
I did, Judge. Thank you very much.
You can always come earlier if your client completes all the requirements as outlined by the prosecutor.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Thank you. You're free to go. Ms. Solomon, you're also free to go.
Oh, appreciate it.
Attorney Bradfield, are you ready on Gary Smith, I see him on the screen.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Oh, all right, I'll call it. This is case number Z806-4341, Gary Smith, OWVI. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578 on behalf of Mr. Smith. State your name for the record, sir.
Gary Smith.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
Thank you. Attorney Bradfield.
Yes, Your Honor. This is matter is scheduled for review.
All right, Officer Thomas, do you have a review for us regarding Mr. Gary Smith?
Yes, Your Honor. As of today, he was placed on probation back on March 9th of this year by Judge Blount. He was assessed a balance of $1,000. He's paid that down to just $240 left. I believe he's attending the 10 AA meetings he was directed to. I just don't have the filled out sheet in front of me yet. But Mr. Smith, as I last spoke to him, had, I believe, 8 meetings attended.
Yes, I have 2 more.
Yep. So and then we just have the 2 classes left, Your Honor. The only real concern I had was I didn't receive, he's to be testing once a month. I did not receive a test for May yet.
All right. Well, I'm not stressed over that. Since he only has a couple more sessions to go and maybe a $200 balance. Attorney Bradfield, how about if we give him another 30 days?
I'm agreeable with that, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, Madam Clerk, give me a review date 30 days from now. Mr. Smith, as long as you finish the few requirements that you have in 30 days, this matter will be behind you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Give me a
Wednesday,
date, Madam
July
Clerk.
27th. Oh,
I'm
I'm sorry,
sorry.
Your Honor.
What was the date?
Wednesday, July 27th.
Okay.
July 27th at 8:30. You get that, Mr. Smith?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll see
Thank
you
you.
there. Officer Thomas, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have a couple more matters that are ready. Let me pull them out the breakout room, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
I'm ready, Your Honor. We have Mr. Javon Scott, and we also have Mr. Carl Epps that we are ready on.
All right, we'll go to Javon Scott. This is case number 204-806-021, Javon Scott, no insurance. Case number 204-806-022, Javon Scott, no operator's license. Let's have appearances.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Scott. State your name for the record, sir.
Javon Scott.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings.
All right, Mr. Scott stands mute and waives the formal reading and information. Attorney Bradfield.
Thank you, Your Honor. He would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation, Your Honor.
Okay, he's going to enter a guilty plea on which one?
He's going to enter a guilty plea on the no operator license. It's going to be amended down to improper plates, and his no insurance charge will be dismissed.
Okay, thank you. Madam
you.
Clerk, would you swear Mr. Scott in?
Yes. Mr. Scott, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can lower your hand.
All right, Mr. Scott, did you have an opportunity to meet with attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, they did not.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, I am.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, I need the date and time Mr. Scott will stop.
June 18th, 2020 at 6:20 p.m.
Mr. Scott, on that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violations?
Yes, I was.
Counsel, void your client on a factual basis.
On the date and time of the charge, were you operating that motor vehicle without a valid license?
Yes, I was.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find that Mr. Scott is cleared responsible to case number 204-806-022, which has been reduced from no operator's license to improper plates. Per his agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing ticket number 204-806-021. Mr. Scott, you owe $200. How much time do you need to pay?
Probably 2 weeks.
All right, I'll give you a month, Mr. Scott.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
36districtcourt.org.
What date would that be?
That's online, 36districtcourt.org, or you can always go to the court and pay.
Okay,
All right, you're free to go.
thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Are you ready on anybody else right now?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready on Mr. Epps.
All right. This is case number SP-132-94261, Carl Epps. No insurance. Case number SP-132-94263, Carl Epps. Failure turn. Well, I'm not quite sure. Let's have appearances.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Epps. State your name for the record, sir.
Yes, Carl Epps.
Thank you. Is there an offer, house counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. My client would like to enter a guilty plea, and the offer is if he was to plead responsible to failure to signal, then it will be amended down to blockading traffic, and the no insurance will be dismissed.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you swear Mr. Epps in?
Epps, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand.
Put your hand down, sir. Pay attention to me.
Okay.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading responsible because you are responsible?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading responsible of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that by pleading responsible, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead responsible?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam Clerk, let me have the date and time Mr. Epps will stop.
March 16th, 2022 at 6:19 p.m.
Mr. Epps, on that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, void your client for the factual basis.
Mr. Epps, were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And at the time, you either changed lanes or made a turn without signaling. Is that correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find Mr. Ayers is clear responsible to case number SP 132-94263, which has been reduced from FLSG turn signal to blockading. Per his agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing ticket number SP 132-94261. Mr. Epps, you owe us $200. How much time you need to pay?
Can I get 3 weeks, Your Honor?
Sure, I'll give you a month, Mr. Epps. 36support.org.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're free to go.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
House counsel, do you have anybody else?
Madam Clerk, did we receive an offer for a revised offer, should I say, for Ms. Sharpner?
I'm looking.
Okay.
Attorney Rosenthal did receive the email, but I have not received a new offer.
Attorney Bradfield for Ms. Schaffner is her, does she presently have a driver's license or does she presently have insurance?
She provided documentation of registration too. Is that correct, Madam Clerk?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Registration and insurance, Your Honor.
So she's showing all three right now.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, well, based on the actions of the prosecutor in the past, I'm gonna call the case, Attorney Bradfield.
Let me get her out the
Bring them out.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Hello?
Yes, Ms. Schaffner, hold on for a minute. I'm gonna call your case.
Okay, sorry about that.
All right, this is case number SP 125-46461, Leah Schaffner, improper plates. Case number SP 125-46462, Mia Schaffner, no insurance. Case number SP 125-46391, Mia Schaffner, expired plates. Let's have appearances.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Sharpner, please state your name for the record.
Mia Schaffner.
Thank you. House counsel?
Your Honor, my client has provided documentation to the court for her insurance and her registration. Based on that, we'd like to ask for dismissal of all three matters, Your Honor.
All right, based on the representations of the House counsel, that Ms. Schaffner now has insurance, she now has proper plates, and she now has those two things, I am going to dismiss case number SP 125-46461, ticket number SP 125-46462, ticket number SP 125-46391. Ms. Schaffner, you owe us a $25 house counsel fee. How much time you need to pay it?
I could pay that right now, Your Honor.
I'll pay it tomorrow, 36support.org.
Okay, will do.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
All right.